In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create credit card accounts in QuickBooks Online. First things first, we'll begin by directing our attention to the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you will notice the gear icon, a small yet powerful tool that opens up a variety of important options. Give that icon a click to get started. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a menu appear. Within this menu, find and click on Chart of Accounts. This section is like the heart of your financial data in QuickBooks, so it's essential to become familiar with it. Once the Chart of Accounts page loads, look towards the top right of your screen. There, you'll find the New Account button. Go ahead and click that to proceed with setting up your new credit card account. Now, it's time to enter some specifics about your account. Begin by typing in a name for your new credit card account. This can be something straightforward, like the name of your credit card provider, or the type of expenses you'll track with this account. Clear labeling helps to keep your accounts organized and easily recognizable. Next, you'll need to designate the account type. In this case, you'll select credit card. Similarly, you should also choose credit card for the detail type. This ensures that QuickBooks accurately categorizes your account, making it simpler for you to manage and track your credit card transactions moving forward. Afterward, it's time to enter the opening balance along with the date corresponding to that specific balance. Providing this information sets the groundwork for accurate financial tracking right from the account's inception. It plays a crucial role in ensuring your records reflect true financial activity. While optional, a description can be added to your new credit card account. This is your opportunity to provide any additional context or notes that might be relevant to this account. Descriptions are helpful for future reference, allowing anyone reviewing the accounts to understand the purpose or function of the account at a glance. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and double-checked its accuracy, the moment has arrived to save your hard work. Simply click the Save button, and just like that, your new credit card account has been successfully created in QuickBooks Online. Now that the account is set up, you'll want to manage and monitor the transactions tied to it. To do this, find your newly created credit card account and click on View Register. This option allows you to add transactions directly to the account. Alternatively, you can use the New button at the top left to create transactions, during which you can select this particular credit card account as needed. And that's all. You've now successfully learned how to create and manage a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. This will streamline your financial tracking and reporting, making things easier as you handle your expenses.